of meet, you can almost smell the excitement in the air.
Of course, Hina. After all, it's the 25th edition of INDIAWOOD.
Rome was not built in a day. Today, you will see what goes into making an exhibition this big.
More than just a sourcing hub, it is an industry platform where ideas converge.
Surface in Motion India, Wood Plus in Architecture and Design, Knowledge Sessions, your gateway to the latest insights.
If you are into woodworking, furniture production, mattress and upholstery manufacturing, you can't afford to miss INDIAWOOD and India Mattresstech Expo.
We are ready.
Industry is ready.
See you tomorrow.
What?